La Uno Million Real. Ito ang review natin for tonight's video. So, si La Uno Million Real ay nabili natin from the marketplace. The price is around 1,000 pesos. This is a perfume from Fragrance World. Okay? And in terms of presentation, very elegant, very classy. As you can see, meron siyang gold accent sa harapan. Ang kanyang cap ay ganun din, gold. And the bottle is brown. Okay? And kanyang atomizer or sprayer ay gold. And ang kanyang mismong atomizer sa loob ay white. Okay, so let's do a couple of sprays on our wrist. Okay? And ang unang-unang maamoy mo dito kay La Uno Million Real is yung kanyang bergamot and tangerine na sasamahan pa ng lavender and yung kanyang medyo woodsy na cedar notes. Ayan, ang bango, ang aromatic ng kanyang smell and bagay na bagay sa medyo maulan na weather tulad ng naranasan natin ngayon sa Metro Manila. So, ito yung gamit ko ngayon, and in terms of the performance, grabe to, grabe. As I've been using this afternoon, and kanyang projection around 2 to 4 feet. Okay, maamoy ka ng mga tao na sa paligid mo. And ang kanyang longevity naman, tumatagal siya ng 6 hours sa skin mo and nagpo-project siya during that time, and then after 6 hours medyo nagiging skin set na siya up until 8 hours. Actually, ito, naamoy ko pa siya hanggang ngayon, and it's more than 9 hours already, and it's been after my shift, and grabe tong amoy ni La Uno Million. And this is very much applicable again for your rainy weather, medyo malamig, and if you have date nights, if you have gimmick, or pupunta ka ng bar, you know, this is something that you could definitely wear. And if ever you are, you know, looking for an alternative to your liquid brawn, the very popular ngayon perfume, you can always try and check out La Uno Million. Para different kind of scent naman yung gamitin natin versus this one na medyo sikat na sa ating fragrance community. So, why not try this out? Now, again, as mentioned, most perfumes that I've tried na from La Uno Million or from Fragrance World, ang ganda talaga ng performance nila. Talagang tumatagal, ang ganda ng projection, and as you can see, or as I've mentioned also a while ago, ang ganda ng kanyang pagkaka-layer ng mga scents. Talagang naamoy mo yung different notes ng ating perfume. So, in terms of the scent profile, grabe, ang sarap na ito. Amuyin, ulit-ulit. Lalo na pagka nagda-dry down na siya, naamoy mo na yung konti ng cardamom, yung lavender, and syempre yung pa rin, natitira pa rin yung konting pagkasitusin niya na tangerine and bergamot. So, yan. So, by the way, this is of course your dupe of Paco Rabanne, La Uno or 1 Million Real. Okay, so yun lang. If you have any questions regarding La Uno Million Royal or any of the perfumes that I reviewed, please make sure that you leave a comment down below and make sure to respond to your comment or your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!